In this video, I'm going to explain how you can repair a manual injector. As you can see it on the screen, you have to install the manual injector on a tester. You need to know that this tester is only for manual or mechanical injector. You can see the screen. You need to know the bar in which you need to set the injector. And when you text, this is how to text. If you notice that during your text, the bar of the injector is not accurate, maybe it's too low. In most cases, it's usually too low. What can you do? You're going to see, we are going to adjust it. In the injector, there is a spring inside. This spring, we are going to expand the spring. When you expand the spring, it's going to increase the pressure of the injector. You can see now I'm trying to clean the injector. The injector is being cleaned to make sure that there is no dirty inside, because if there is dirty inside, it can also affect the way the injector is injecting. You can see the spring. I'll use screwdriver now to expand it. It will become more longer. When it becomes more longer, then it's going to increase the pressure. You have to do it just small. If you overdo it, the pressure will be too much, and when the pressure of the injector is too much, it can cause damage, because it will cause a knocking sound. So you need to be sure of the yes. So you can see the injector. That is the injector tips. You must ensure that you set it very well. Do you see? Set it very well. There are 3 holes there. 2 is for the pin that will hold the tips itself, and 1 is supply. Then you lock it. As soon as you lock it, then you can now retest it. I'm very sure that it will give us the bar, the pressure that we want now, because it has been increased. The pressure was a bit low before, so now the pressure is going to increase. As you can see, now we are fixing it back. You can see the gauge. You need to know the manufacturer setting. The manufacturer setting that will determine each engine. Some can be 250, 300 bar. So you can now see. Let's come here. See the injector now. Do you see? That is increasing. The pressure has now been increased. You can now see the gauge now. So I want to check the level of the gauge it is. Exactly. This is what we want. This is what we want. This is the gauge of the engine. This is the bar that we want. So you can now see that is how to check. I will appreciate if you can support this channel by like, subscribe, and share this video on how to repair a mechanical injectors. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Thank you.